Assalamualaikum. I'm by M10 newest version earbuds. Earbuds version v5.3. This wireless profile are 2DP, HFP, HSP, AVRCP. Earbuds details. This earbuds transmission distance 10 meter. This charging time about 2 hours. Standby 2 hours. Music play about 5 hours earbuds. This earbuds output 5 volts equals 1A. Most important question, what is made by? Answer: they are made by China. Right side, left side, they are built normal quality material. They are used in 2-in-1. First use, they are used in earbuds power bank and automatic charging earbuds. Second use, they are used in like mobile phone charging or smart watch charge. This is charge normal Android cable. This display overall good. They earbuds touch and sensor use. Like earbuds touch call, attempt and play, video and stop video. They are connected in Bluetooth. Connected. Song quality good. I'm play video, noise cancellation. This is price 1,250 rupees. Links in description. Allahafiz.